Alright, if you're watching this video, then it means that I have noticed that your number 4 is done incorrectly. So I'm going to help you set up number 4, but I'm not going to do the whole problem with you. I'm going to get you set up in the right way. So Ellen received $85.50 last week for babysitting. If she earned $6 per hour, how many hours did she babysit last week? So we're going to start off with how many hours did she babysit last week, and we can say she babysat blank hours. And since we're trying to find the number of hours, the pieces that I have that have been given to me are the total amount that she earned, her earnings of $85.50, which we can classify as our total. And we know that she earns $6 a week. So, or not a week, an hour. So when she babysits 1 hour, she's earned $6. When she babysits another hour, she's earned another $6, which would be $12. So what I need to do is figure out, well, what will get me to that 85 total? How many hours will get me to that 85 total? So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to separate the money so that I can figure out how many hours. So we're going to be dividing that information. And so one thing that I'm going to set this up, I'm going to take my total $85.50 and I'm dividing it by the number 6. So in just a minute, I'm going to let you divide this, and I'm going to want you to set up your top-bottom chart. But before you do that, I want you to make an estimate with me. So when we look at this information, here's what we know. We know that if she was making $6 an hour and she worked 10 hours, so we'll keep track of our hours here and our money here, that would give us $60. Well, that's not enough money. So I need to think about something even bigger than that. So if she earns $6 an hour, and let's say she worked 20 hours, that would give me $120. Well, this is too much. So what I'm thinking is that my answer should be somewhere around between 10 and 20 hours. That's what I know. That's an easy estimate for me to make. So now I'm going to go over and I'm going to make my top-bottom chart, and then I'm going to leave you to solve the rest of this on your own. So our top-bottom chart is going to be counting by 6s. So on the left, I'm going to make my numbers go all the way to 9 because those would be the numbers that I would put on top as part of my quotient. And then on the B side, we're going to quickly count by 6s. So we can say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 54. Now that you have all of the pieces, you ought to be able to get the correct answer on your own.